guys, I'm going to show you my favorite green smoothie that I make every day. These are the ingredients that you need: apple, banana, celery. I like ginger and lemon. So first off, I'm just using baby spinach, but you can use any kind of green veggies you like. And I'm actually making 2 days worth. I have one shake every morning, and this is basically for 2 mornings, so 2 shakes. So I'm going to 6 cups of greens. Then I like to add some coconut water for electrolytes. I do a cup of coconut water. And if you don't like coconut water, you can just use regular water, because that's what I'm going to do next. So this is just water. You can do all coconut water. You can do some coconut water. I usually do 2 cups of water and 1 cup of coconut water, and then I blend it first. You want to blend it first as key, because the greens need to be chopped up. Now that the greens are chopped up, I can add in all my other ingredients. I like to do an apple, just a regular apple. I think this is a Fuji. Fuji is my favorite because it's a little crispy. And nothing fancy, you just cut it up to put it in. Then we do the celery. Cut off the ends, and everything is already washed. So I take the celery. I usually do half a banana. Half. And then I love ginger, so I put a lot of ginger. And what I do with the ginger is I peel off the outside. And ginger is so good for digestion. In Chinese medicine, we actually say when you eat raw vegetables like this, it's very cold for the stomach. So using ginger will warm up the whole shake, in my opinion. So that's why I do it. And you can put as much or as little. This is usually quite a lot, but I like the taste and I like the health benefits. So I'm just putting all this ginger in. So I'm just going to put some turmeric in here. Just a little bit if you like the taste. This is also just to warm up the shake, help with inflammation, and increase circulation in the body. Okay. So lastly, I'm going to put lemon in, and this is lemon from our lemon tree outside. Take my squeezer. Sometimes I feel like putting extra lemon, so sometimes I'll put 2 lemons. Lemon is really good for detoxing and cleansing the liver. And there we go. Okay, so now it's done. Here are my shaker bottles. And you can smell the goodness. I usually do. This is 2 servings, so I'll drink this tomorrow morning. And the other one for the next day. This usually keeps well for 2 days. So. And I hope this inspires you to try to make a green smoothie yourself. See you next time.